Hey guys, it's Mr. Again. Today we're going to look at multiplying polynomials. Alright, so the first one we have 4x times the quantity 3x squared plus 5. Just like problems that we've done in the past, when we're multiplying a number times a quantity inside parentheses like that, we're distributing. So that's going to get distributed there and there. So 4x times 3x squared is 12, and then x to the third because we add the exponents, plus 4x times 5 is 20x. And that's it. We get a binomial, 12x to the third plus 20x. All right, same thing here. We're going to distribute this to there and to there, both terms. So 3a squared b times 5a would be 15. Okay, we have an a squared times an a to the first. That's a to the third. We add the exponents. And then b is just by itself, so that stays. Plus 3a squared b times 2b. 3 times 2 is 6. A squared is just a squared, and b times b is b squared. And then that's our answer. All right, now we're multiplying two binomials. Here you got to make sure you're not only multiplying this x times this x, but also the 3, and then this 5 has to be multiplied by the x and the 3. Okay, now to do that, we have a method that we call FOIL, where f is first, o is outside, I is inside, and L is last. Alright, so we're going to multiply the two first terms. That's the x and the x. X times x is x squared, plus O is outside. The two outside terms, that's this x and the 3, they're on the outside. X times 3 is 3x, plus the two inside terms, 5 and x, they're on the inside. 5 times x is 5x, plus the two last terms, that's the 5 and the 3, 15. I'm going to combine those like terms, and I get x squared plus 8x plus 15. So I multiplied two binomials. My answer was a trinomial. I used the FOIL method. I'll do the same thing here. First, 5x times 3x is 15x squared. Outside, 5x times 8y, 40xy. Inside, 2y times 3x, 6xy. And then 2y times 8y, 16y squared. So it looks like I have some like terms here. 15x squared plus 46xy plus 16y squared. Once again, multiply two binomials and I got a trinomial. Alright, now we have a binomial times a trinomial. Alright, no big deal. It's got to make sure I distribute to all three. So x times 3x squared is 3x to the third. X times 5x, 5x squared. X times 1 is x. Now 2. 2 times 3x squared is 6x squared. 2 times 5x, 10x. And 2 times 1 is 2. Looking for some like terms. I got a 5x squared and a 6x squared, and x and a 10x. So we have 3x to the third plus 5x squared plus 6x squared is 11x squared, plus x plus 10x is 11x plus 2. Woo! Alright, that was a big one. Alright, last, find the area. Alright, area problem, but we know this is going to be multiplying polynomials. So these are all rectangles. There's 4 rectangles. Each rectangle will be length times width. So let's start with this one. So we want to find the area. We want to find the area of this big rectangle, by the way. So we're just adding the area of the 4 small ones. So length times width is x times x minus 2. So that'll be x squared minus 2x. Alright. Plus, now we'll go here. X and 3x are length and width. X times 3x is 3x squared. Plus, come over here. This distance is x plus 4. This is 3x. Multiply those together. I get 3x squared plus 12x plus, and now the last one, that's x plus 4. That's x minus 2. So that's going to be using my FOIL method. So I'm going to come up here, x plus 4 times x minus 2. So first, x squared, outside, x times minus 2. So actually, let's do this. Let's change that to a minus 2x. Inside, 4 times x, 4x. And then last, 4 times negative 2, minus 8. Combine my like terms, that's plus a negative, x squared plus 2x minus 8. So we'll add that here, x squared plus 2x minus 8. Whew, let's find some like terms. X squared, 3x squared, 3x squared, x squared. We'll make that plus a negative 2x, 12x, and this was a 2x. And that negative 8 at the end all by itself. Alright, so we have the x squared plus 3x squared is 4x squared, plus another 3x squared is 7x squared, plus another x squared is 8x squared, plus negative 2x plus 12x is 10x, plus another 2x is 12x, and then minus 8 at the end. And that's our area. Alright, there you go, multiplying polynomials. Make sure you're distributing, and if it's a binomial times a binomial, we are using the FOIL method. Good luck, guys.